Let's start with cell signals. So I'll choose photoreceptor. Uh, it is effective because after choosing cell, all five choices become mini tabs, and the user can easily navigate all through the others like that. And if I apply light to muscle cells, uh, there's a there's a response. I think it's not that effective because it lacks of examples to the real thing behind what's happening to that cell, so students can visualize it more. Next is cell insight. So it distinguishes clearly the difference between animal and plant cells. It uses voiceover plus labels and text. It isolates different parts so student can focus, and after the user can see the whole thing. Next is the cell scale. It is effective for teachers because they can scroll they can scroll the material to see how small a cell is from a normal size of a coffee bean, which the material also indicates its size. Uh, I think they can improve it by using live organisms, and by zooming into it, students can determine where and how small from a part of a body a cell is. Next is the PCR virtual lab. I think it's not that effective because of its linear approach of teaching. User can go back to a certain level. It lacks of voiceovers, but it is effective because it starts from a very familiar setting where students can familiarize themselves after jumping to a hard topic. Last is the heredity. It is effective because it has a nice voiceover. It explains well the lesson with appropriate image and text the students can read. Next, of internet. So I think it's not that effective because it also has a linear approach of teaching. User can skip lesson, and after the last part, it will just go back at the start. Next. And I'm done.